Hello, I'm Livia, and this little earth here was part of my PhD head last year when I finished my thesis at ETH Zurich. And it does not only reflect my interest in football, but also my work in research. Because in my thesis I provide a new methodology which allows to map global supply chains, such as the different steps in global supply chains and the many environmental impacts which are caused along these different steps. Let me give you an example. What is this little earth made of? Plastics. And you may know that research in plastics has typically focused on the disposal phase, such as plastics in the environment or plastics incineration. However, our research shows that also the production of plastics causes significant climate and health impacts. We found that nowadays just producing plastics accounts for even 4% of global climate impacts. And to give you a comparison, this is twice as much as the climate impact of global aviation. But now you might wonder, why have previous studies underestimated the impact of plastics production? The reason is that by looking at the entire plastic supply chain, our methodology accounts for the strong growth and shift of plastics production to coal-based economies. These are particularly China, India, Indonesia, and also South Africa. Because in these countries the energy to produce plastics is mostly supplied with coal, and burning this coal releases many greenhouse gas emissions and particulate matter emissions, and these emissions lead to climate and health impacts. Now, one important takeaway message is that if we would invest in clean energy production, this would significantly reduce the climate and health footprint of plastics. And another takeaway message is that we apply our methodology to study any supply chains, not only plastic supply chains, but also food or metals or energy supply chains, and this provides new insights and also decision support for sustainable policies.